2. It's 5:45 in the morning. I'm not sure if the sun is going to set on this side. I'm pretty sure it is because it's really dark over there. But it looks so beautiful. It's like nice and windy. It's not too cold. But it looks beautiful. I'm pretty sure that's where the sun is going to not set and rise. My goodness. My dad's next door on his balcony. Scared me. Good morning.
Alright, I like a lot of sugar in my coffee.
Breakfast in the morning. It makes me forget to like we have arrived. We're in Nassau, the Bahamas. It's so beautiful. Look at this water. It's 81 degrees today. I just finished breakfast. It was really good.
Diving and fishing on right over the reef. Okay, now you can see the gray snappers underneath the boat. Very good eating, guys. About the size of your dinner plate. That just made me hungry just looking at it. That's why I don't like to look at it. Okay. Now nobody brought a fishing pole. I just need one. Just one for dinner for this afternoon. Okay. About 3 nights, it's going to cost you about $100,000. $100,000. They would not allow you to stay in there for just one. You guys ain't understand what I'm saying. Rule number 4, last and final rule for you lovers aboard: no hanky-panky.
They fixed up our rooms, and this is what we came back to. I'm not sure what this is. My dad said it's a rabbit. It's so sweet.
It's small right here. It's small. Something new you don't like, look at.
My dad's about to try escargot. Wolf.
Get the spoon on?
What do you think?
Oh, thank you. It's pretty good. Tastes like little shrimp roll, looks like.
It's good cooked with the garlic butter.
Y'all hear that? This ship is like rocking right now. But it's like 10:30. We just finished our show. End of day 2. Oh God, what's going on right now? I'm headed to the room because I am exhausted. I am ready to shower and edit some more stuff and go to bed.